Good evening, my learner of English language. And today I am here, and today I will give you a technique. By this technique and by applying this technique, you can also learn also very survival English language, and you can also fulfill also your dream. We have dream, but we don't have a correct methodology or correct means ideology. For this reason, we can't grow in our English journey. What type of result we want to see? What type of emotion or what type of correctness we want to show? And with confidence we want to speak, but lack of these things always we just have a dream. But this technique can remove your all flow idea, can remove your all excuses and your failure. This technique can improve your growth. This technique can give you confidence, but maybe you are very excited to know about this technique. Always I said means focus on speaking. Don't hold your lips. How many times you consume content by that simple, I am telling you very simple language, you can't be a good speaker. But if you want to speak English fluently, so you have to start practice of speaking. If you become a shameful people, if you think just I will think about English and I will read, I will write, by that I will become an English speaker, my friend, forgive me. You can't be a English learner. Never you can't fulfill your dream, because many of Indian teacher, they are good in reading, they know the grammars and they did everything, but lack of practice, just they only made one mistake, means never they try for speaking. For these things they can't speak. My dear friend, if you want to fulfill your dream, so from today, from now, start speaking. And now you will say, how can I speak? I don't have a partner. My dear friend, if you have a craziness in your brain, if you have a dream, so you don't need a partner. Just practice, but how? I will give you demo in this session, and I use also this technique, because you can say also I am not intelligent, but today where am I? Only sake of this practice, I can tell you, believe me, only being for practice, today I can also speak something. So what is the technique? Technique means take anything, either pen, either mic, either cape, either book, whatever you are watching by your eyes, whatever you are listening, whatever you are observing, so just start talking. But you, I know you can't do anything. You can't cover all things one day. It is impossible. We have unlimited topics, but if we start talking in a one day, it is impossible, I believe. But when you will talk, when you will take this topic, means pen, how you can practice. This is my pen. And you can also create this same sentence in past. I also, it is my pen. It was my pen of my father. It is my pen, but it was the pen of my father. And I took this pen from my father. I write by this pen, and I feel comfortable whenever I read by this pen. Minimum for 6 months I have been writing by this pen, but still now I have a lots of ink in my pen. This is a very magical pen. And you can take also another topic, but how many things you know about this pen you can also speak, because your content is not matter, but you are telling the word sentences according to correct flow, correct grammatically. This is matter. My dear friend, I am telling you topics is not matter, but you have to be pronounce the word sentences, and these things will correct your English language. These things will fix your English language. So I also just tell you only one thing means start speaking. If you have a partner, it is also a very good thing. If you don't have a partner, so go in your room. If you don't have a free room, so you can go outside. And there you can take topic, and according to this topic means you can speak. For example, you are sitting in the park and you are watching, and you are looking at the movement of park, and you can also describe these things in your out loud language. You can say, right now I am sitting in the national park, and come lots of people came in this place for observing this area. And you can also observe lots of things: flowers, trees, benches, play instruments, exercise instruments, artificial house, artificial animals. Whatever you want to say, whatever you want to observe, everything is there. And if you have a free time, you should come to visit this park, and you can also enjoyment. Really, whenever I feel boring, so that time I go to park, and whenever I spend my time this particular park, so I feel good, and my all anxiety and depression over, and with a free mind, with a helpful mind, I come to my home, and again I have a mood for work. You can say also, dear friend, one day I was sitting in this park. I saw something abnormal. Means one boy and one girl. They are also doing some abnormal things. And I told them, dear, this is a public place. You can't do same things in a public place. Yes, whatever you are doing, it is your freedom. But you can't do anything in every public place. It is not permission for you. My dear friend, he replied me, my life, my enjoyment, my freedom. Then I tell you, just wait. Within a few seconds, you will know what is your freedom. I called the police station, and I told everything in detail the police officer. Within a 3 minute, nearest police officer they come to this park, and they caught this young man and young lady. And after that, you can see what happened. This policeman gave him two slaps very strongly, and suddenly he was telling, please forgive me, don't make our video. But policeman said, really, I give me your father number. I will call him and I will talk him. He took number from this boy, and this police officer called this man, father of this man, and he talked with him and told him everything. My dear friend, this story is not real. I narrated you the fake story. Just I want to tell you how you can also start a topic, how you can speak and how you can learn. Your topics are not important, but important is your grace, that is how you speak. My dear friend, just at the end of the video, I tell you, just speak, speak, speak. Be speaker, not listener. Listen, but speak more. Then you will fulfill and complete your dream. So if you didn't subscribe our channel, please subscribe our channel. And for finding that type of video, for finding a technique, you can also subscribe our channel. And I hope this video will give you idea how you can become a learner of English language, how you can fulfill your dream. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.